Recently, a study was conducted in Bihar across Bhojpur, Samastipur, Begusarai, Khagadia, Katihar, and Nalanda district on lactating mothers aged 75 to 35 between October 2021 and July 2024. And it found traces amount of uranium in every breast milk sample tested. Uranium is a naturally occurring radioactive element present in soil, water, and especially in some groundwater belts across India. It has the atomic number of 92 and corresponds to the chemical symbol U in the periodic table. In India, major uranium deposits are found in Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana. Like all the actinides, uranium is radioactive. It decays over time and releases energy in the process. Uranium is among the more common elements in the Earth's crust. Something like it is about 500 times more common than gold. Although it seems a very rare element, small amount of uranium are present everywhere in rocks, in soil, water, fossils, everything. It belongs to a special group of elements called as actinides. These are the elements that were discovered relatively late in the history. Major global product producers of the uranium are Kazakhstan, Canada, Australia, Namibia, and Uzbekistan. Uranium's special properties make uranium the main source of fuel for nuclear reactors. Now coming to the Bihar part, like the detected level of uranium in Bihar were in the microgram per liter range. Based on these values, researchers estimated that some infants may be exposed to uranium through breastfeeding. Uranium poses various types of risk, like it may affect kidneys, bone developments, and soft tissue. However, the level detected are not high enough to warrant stopping breastfeeding, which remains the safest and most beneficial nutrition source for the infants. Importantly, the study did not assess any long-term health effects on the baby, so the risk is theoretical and not proven. This incident is highly relevant from the exam perspective because it touches multiple themes in UPSC prelims as well as mains examination. For example, from environmental perspective, it touches natural and heavy metal presence in the groundwater. Public health, if we see, then it is part of like exposure pathways, infant health, risk assessment. From governance point of view, we can say drinking water safety, health surveillance, rural infrastructure, as well as in science and tech domain, it will fall the topics such as like understanding radiological toxicity or chemical toxicity of the uranium was detected, but the levels are low and breastfeeding remains completely safe. The real issue is improving India's groundwater safety and environmental monitoring. Thank you for watching. Stay informed and keep preparing smartly.